All right, guys. So another day is almost in the books for Nvidia stock. And yesterday, I'm sure you guys saw the thing went down, what, 8, 9%. And today, as we're about 9 minutes away from close, we're down over 1%. And earlier in the day, we were down almost 4%. We actually took out the lows from yesterday this morning. We hit 104, and yesterday at close, we hit about 107, and we started off the day yesterday at $115 per share. So again, as we're about 9 minutes from close, we are continuing the downtrend today, taking out the lows, and the bears are winning in the short term yet again. And now officially we're down just from a week ago about $20 per share on Nvidia stock, or about 15%. So guys, we're almost in a bear market in the matter of 1 week of trading. And we are in a bear market if we're looking at the stock's all-time high, which is $141 per share. If I do the math here, guys, so we're down from 141 to 106 now. We are in a bear market, down 24%. So at this point, we are noticing Nvidia stock is clearly trading in a downwards channel on this 4-hour chart. And today's move has us actually pushing to the bottom of that channel. If I zoom in a little bit here on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see how we've been religiously trading in this channel. Clear resistance here, clear resistance there, right? We failed breaking out here at about $130 recently. And again, now we're dumping to the bottom of this channel. You guys see that right here. We hit about 103, 104, 105. That's kind of where we're at now. And in my opinion, we're gearing up for a potential recovery, a rebound, at least the way the stock, according to how the stock has been playing over the last couple of months, really over the last 2.5, almost 3 months at this point in time, right? You guys can see every time we've gotten a bit oversold, bottom of this channel, we've gotten a recovery, and a big recovery at that. I mean, look, last time, well, the first time, I guess, in this channel, we went from 141 to 115. Then we had a nice rally to 135. That was a big move, about $20 or about 17, 18%. And then we sold down to about $90, got an epic rally into earnings of 42%. And now that we're down 15% in the past week, pretty much, we're back at the bottom of the channel. Maybe we dip our toes under 100, 95, 100. Sure, it could get there. But ultimately, I see something like this coming on Nvidia stock. It's only a matter of time. We're very oversold. We're at the bottom of this channel, yada, yada, yada. In my opinion, again, it's only a matter of time before we get some sort of relief rally. It's due, guys. I'm telling you, it is due right now. And the entire stock market is looking pretty decent today. Overall, we are in the red, it looks like, for the most part, but we are in the green for the Dow Jones, and the VIX is pretty flat. Actually, it's up a little bit, but still pretty flat. So if I pull up these indexes very quickly, looking here at SPY, which of course tracks the S&P 500, we are dumping under this channel right here, no doubt, but we are seeing support above 545, 550, the 180 SMA on the 4-hour time frame here. And we're noticing on triple Q, I believe the same. Let me double check it. Actually, no, it's slightly under the moving averages, but kind of like in Nvidia stock, we are holding the bottom of this channel. We're starting to get a pop here, which is good, at about 460, 455. So maybe a recovery in triple Q, maybe towards 470, 475. That could be in the cards here, which in turn, of course, could help out Nvidia stock move even higher, right? Which, again, I think it's due for a relief rally. What do you guys think about that? by the way. Let me know down below in the comments. I'm very curious where your head's at as always. And don't forget, before we break down some other stocks, to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash will earn, for now until the Fed cuts those rates, 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. So use that link down below, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Get your money. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys for all the support as always. And let's break down a little bit more of what's going on, as the markets are literally less than 3 minutes away from close right now. So again, we covered Nvidia at the bottom of the channel. I think a relief rally could be coming very soon here. And it looks like Tesla stock is seeing a relief rally starting to form right now. And let me show you this. Do you guys remember this inverse head and shoulders that we talked about in a previous video? I actually still have it lined up here. Let me redraw it and make it look a little bit prettier. It looks like this inverse head and shoulders is starting to play out. Let me show you this, guys. We have the left shoulder right here. Boom. You guys see that? The head's right here. And then the right shoulder is right there. So this clearly, to me, looks like it's trying to play out. You could also argue cup and handle. I see that as well. So if Tesla's able to break out of the highs from the middle end of August, being about 225, 226, let me draw this out and show you guys. Boom. We could end up seeing something like this occur. Maybe a move back towards... Oh, my back's got to crack a little bit there, guys. My neck's freaking stiff on this couch. But where was I? Maybe if we break 225, 235 could be next. Let me draw this out right here. Then if 235 is able to break, there could be some headway towards 255 on Tesla, TSLA. No doubt about it, in my opinion, as again, this inverse head and shoulders is gearing up to play out. I'll actually set my alert now at 225. Let me do this. Mark is at or above 225. I'll do another one at maybe 230. Let me do that right now for you guys. Well, not really for you guys, for me. You could also set your alerts as well. And of course, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, yada, yada, yada. You guys know the whole spiel, right? So I'm liking the way Tesla's setting up here. Looks like AMD's recovering a little bit today, which of course is a competitor to Nvidia. And full disclosure, I'm long AMD and I'm long Nvidia, but AMD is not looking too good. AMD is not looking too good on these charts, but I am kind of noticing potentially a bullish divergence. Not really, actually, but we'll see how that plays out on AMD. Now we're about 5 seconds away from close, ladies and gentlemen. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. We're officially done. And the markets, for the most part, had a red day except for the Dow, but a pretty good recovery day if you look at the intraday chart. I think earlier in the day, if I'm not mistaken, we were in the red more. Actually, no, I guess we did close up from where we opened on SPY. Looks like SPY opened at 550, ran to about 554, dumped to 549. That now we're pushing 551. But yeah, I mean, sometimes, guys, a flat day is a good day. Not every day is going to be a monstrous day. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the mailing list. Link down below. It's free. I send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday. All you have to do is put your first name and your email. That's linked right down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.